Hello guys, are you looking for a way to grow your account, your small equity account? You are trying to make massive profit, but you still end up losing every time you want to grow your account. Look for no more, because this particular video is going to show you how to grow your account and make massive profit with no stress. Just follow this strategy and learn more about the strategy. As you can see, we are already in 2k profit and we are making a lot of profit and money here. In case you are interested in account management, I will be dropping my links or my Telegram links on my comment section, my WhatsApp link or my comment section, so that you can be able to reach out to me. Now, as you can see, this market is going massively, is moving massively. Now we don't want to waste no time. We just have to close this market with this profit that we have gotten. We don't want to start looking for a way to close it right now. Okay, let me show you where I got this market from. You see that this market is not really a market that is going to reverse or stuff like that. This market is still going to sell is still going to sell massively. Sorry, pardon me about that. It's going to sell massively. As you can see, this market had this rejection button over there, trying to reject and start buying, but with many people don't know that this market is actually not going to buy. It's actually deceiving some people, blow some people account, so that you can be able to go back to the sell that he's already selling. As you can see, if this market didn't reach up to this point, there is no reversal for this market. I think this market will reach up to this point, then we start thinking if this market is going to break out or is going to reverse style selling. Now, as you can see, a lot of people will enter into trading with no signal or with no analysis or anything. They just want to enter into this thing thinking it's luck. I want to tell you guys something. For a beginner, mostly, please, this forex trading is not a luck. If you are entering into forex trading, if you are actually making profits in forex trading, is not a luck. You place what you place, and if you are losing, it's not a luck. You lost and you placed the wrong move. That's one thing I need to tell you guys. A lot of people, because placing a demo account and a real account is somehow very different, because in a demo account you won't have to think about your market. Even if your market is going to massive loss, 1k loss, and you still hold up to the market, you can see that you can still hold up to the market till the market reverses and start going your way. But when it comes to real account, you are not going to make that kind of mistakes, because once your market start going loss, you will close with fear, still place another position, thinking that the market is going to sell at a starting point. Maybe market just give you a little bit profits, and you're thinking that, okay, if this market should give me this kind of profit, I think this market is actually going to sell. You leave your market, you just leave it like that. Then you find out that after a while, the market just reverses and start buying the place that he was or it was buying. Then you see your account, you find that you end up blowing your account. This is actually trade with fear. It's actually trade with fear. In a demo account, you don't actually care, because it's not your real account. After all the analysis, after everything, you find out that you have grown your 10k demo account to 300k or 100k $200k in a week. You find out that okay, this is actually how much you're making in a week, and you think you can actually do it with your real account. I'm going to advise you, don't place any trade with fear, because if you place a trade with fear, you end up blowing your real account, or you end up having some miscarriage. You know that this market is actually going your way, then you place this certain move, and the market started reversing, and for you to close and place buy, the market still go your way, you end up blowing your account. This have actually happened to me millions of times, so I just have to learn from it. So if you are placing your trade, place your trade with that and fear. If you know that this market is actually going to sell, place it. If the market start buying, fine. If you see a reversal button, close and wait for two more hours, then you start analyzing your market. Already you'll be watching the market for 2 hours, then before you start placing another trade. Don't ever close your trade and rush into trade again like that, because if you do, your account, your $10 account, your $100 account, your $200 account, your $1k account, your $2k account, even your $20k account will end up blowing. This is actually a little bit advice for you guys. Okay, please just hit the subscribe button. If you're getting to this point, hit the subscribe button, follow for more, drop a like, comment what you actually think in this particular video. Comment exactly what you actually think, how you feel about this particular strategy, and don't forget to share this video to your friends that trade, or anybody. Please just share the video so that I can actually get more engagement than before. And we are also in for account management. Like I said, you can punch it to my DM. I'll be dropping my links on my comment section. Punch it to my DM and I'll be replying you as fast as possible. For those of you that don't know anything about account management, still punch into my DM. I will explain every details according to how you asked it. Okay, thank you. We'll see in your next video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this particular video. Just don't forget to subscribe. And if you are actually new, or you are looking for a way to just learn forex trading, this page is actually made for you. Go back to my previous videos, watch every fucking video I've posted, then you'll find yourself getting more improvement. You find yourself adding 100% or 50% of knowledge in forex trading and in strategy and in signal movement. So please don't forget to subscribe to this video, and have a nice day. We'll see in my next upper video I'll be uploading tomorrow. Thank you.